Test, test. Hey, we're live. Welcome in, everybody. How's everybody doing? Hey, welcome to another episode of Sam Spade Tech. Sam Spade Tech channel. That's correct. We are live, vertical, horizontal. I said to TikTok, we don't need it. We're also live on Kick, but I may go back to TikTok one day. Just haven't really gotten a good vibe from there. Plus, I would need to create a new account over there because primarily all my stuff over there is Fortnite related. So I think for the tech stuff, I'm just going to stick to YouTube and Kick. Kick is kind of like the overall, like, anything goes over on Kick. So I love Kick, but yeah, I had to tweak out my microphone because every time there's a Windows update, OBS forgets that I have a microphone. So I have to go in and reconnect it every single time. Don't know why that is, but I'm glad I figured that out. So if you've been with me recently, we've been working on this old HP laptop. And last night I went ahead and pulled up or I installed Ventoy onto my thumb drive. Ventoy allows you to have all sorts of operating system ISOs and like recovery ISOs on it, and then you can boot into whichever one you want. So give me 1 second. I gotta pull my chats up because I don't think I have my chats up. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, so we got Kick up, and then I gotta get these other two up. Give me 1 second. I'll find activate. All righty, we are up. We are live. Yeah, and I don't know why it's doing that to where I can't. You know who I am. Hey, sir. What's up? You know who I am. I'm assuming that this is the vertical chat. That seems to be the only stuff I get. Yeah, it is. What up in the vertical chat? How we doing? How we doing over on Vert? Vertical's good. Vertical's good. Hey, you know who I am. Butter. Meow. What's up, Butter? Where's that coming from? I don't even see that on here. Butter? That's weird. That's weird stuff. What is up, Butter? Hey, guys. So if you've been with me the last couple of days, I installed a small version of Windows 11 on this old raggedy laptop that I found at a thrift store. That's right, Linux Mint. So I installed Windows 11 on it initially. I wanted to see how it ran. And, you know, Microsoft says, like, you know, don't install it on older systems. In this case, they're right, because this beast is an HP 2000. It's old. It's rusted, it's crusted, it's busted. It's got a little trackpad here. So I installed a, no, it wasn't Tiny 11. It's actually another version, and I can show you guys. It was Atomic X Lite, which was the smallest version of Windows 11 I could find, smaller than Tiny 11. It only, on the ISO, it takes up 1.1 gigabytes. And then once installed, it's 1.8 gigabytes on the disk. So super small, super streamlined. It's incredible. Let me see if I can find it here. Atomic X Lite. Yeah, so this is it. Windows X Lite. Can you guys see this okay? Hang on. You're on the vertical. Hang on, let me change my camera. Game on. There we go. That's a little bit better. You guys can't really see it on the vertical too much, but if you want to check it out, it's Windows X Lite Atomic. And if you come down here, that's not it. Where is it? Version 2.0 X Lite Atomic. I think it was this one. No, go away. Yeah, so it's this one. 1 gig ISO, 1.7 gig installed, includes optional transparency, yada, yada, yada. It bypasses TPM, secure boot, all that, right? No, it's completely safe. I'm on a couple Discords that like a lot of people vouch for a lot of these installs, and a lot of other people have what do you call it? Installed them on their systems and monitored them. This guy has a ton of different builds. This one is like the smallest one that I've found. And yeah, it looks sus. I know what you're saying. His design style or his aesthetic is not my aesthetic, but if he makes a good product, he makes a good product. I can overlook some of the aesthetics in that regards. But Tiny 11 is good. I have tried Tiny 11. No, Linux has made big strides in the last couple of years. And I don't know where you're getting that we hate Windows. I don't hate Windows. I think it's fine. There's nothing wrong with Windows. However, they're dropping support. They're dropping support for Windows 10. So that's going to be a nightmare. Why not use Atlas OS? Yeah, I've seen other people use Atlas as well. And Atlas is a good option, but because these are all ready to go. I don't have to download a playbook. I don't have to figure out which playbook I want or whatever. So these pull out a lot more code, and a lot of them also, they, what do you call it? They stop the Windows updates from running till like 2600 or something like that. I don't know. They stop Windows updates for like 600 years. I'm not sure if Atlas OS does that or not. I haven't tried Atlas OS. I've just been downloading different distros of Windows to try out. However, getting back to my other topic, untested en masse. Yeah, that's, you know, if you don't want to trust them, you don't have to, and that's fine. Yeah, I was talking to somebody else the other day. I was like, where does everybody get this information from? They're like, I don't trust this. Like, did something happen to somebody that said don't trust this? Because I've never had a bad experience. Everybody I've talked to has never had a bad experience with any of these. And if they are, especially nowadays, if they are immediately reported and outed in said communities. I'm in a couple of different communities on Discord that, they vouch for all of these distros. But hey, that's why I got a thrift store laptop to test them out, right? So it's not hooked up to the network. It's not hooked up to anything. Like, it's just a junk laptop so I can test them out, see if they're running any good, see if there's anything weird in the background that shouldn't be pinging up and down. But of course, buyer beware. Yes, this is true. Some of them can and will remove some core components. Yeah, I don't know what you mean by it's a closed source system. From what I understand, Windows has a lot of open doors. Windows has a lot of open backdoors and whatever. Yeah. Well, hey, I'm not removing any of it. So again, buyer beware. These are all free distros. If you want to download them, feel free to download them. Tyson, you don't have to download them if you don't want to. But that's not what this video is about. If you guys want to try Windows X Lite, feel free. He's got a bunch of different flavors. This one just happens to be the smallest version of Windows 11 that I have found. Only 1 gig ISO. It's like 1.1, 1.7 gig installed. You can look him up, make sure he's not sus, whatever you want to do. I don't know. Do you trust your data with these other ISOs, or do you trust Microsoft? Because Microsoft is coming out with Windows 11. I think it's called Recall, where it basically is going to be taking screenshots of your computer every 5 minutes. And they swear it's safe. It's safe. Sorry, I missed a couple of these chats here. Let me see. If you want to use Win 10, you can swap to LTSC and support until 2030 or something. Yeah, that's true. I mean, as far as gaming goes, like Windows 10 and Windows 11, they both do the same thing. Just get a decent computer. I've heard that Windows 10 runs better than Windows 11 for some games. Yeah. And yes, and a lot of these distros are better for gaming. Like this one, hang on. X Lite is better for gaming. And there's another one that I tested called Kernel OS, which is really, really good for gaming. It got like top scores, top tier. There's a couple of them out there, and you can look it up as well on YouTube. Just go in there and look up different gaming Windows distros. There's a ton of them out there. So a lot of times that's why they make these, is specifically for gaming. Yeah, and that's what I've heard too, Linux. So again, with this old laptop, I installed X Lite because it was the smallest version. I wanted to see how it would run. It ran okay, but just opening up Firefox, a modern web browser, right? It's the most up-to-date Firefox. I opened Firefox and YouTube, and it like came to a crawl. It was spiking between 60% to 90% on the CPU because it's only a dual core Pentium with 4 gigs of RAM. So Linux has a lot more lighter weight versions out there. They seem to be more stable than Windows, and they're definitely not spying on you and taking screenshots of your desktop every 5 minutes. Okay, sorry, Tyson, you said just use Windows 11 LTC because these ISOs are the same as pirating anyways. Actually, they're not pirating at all, because every single one of them, what is this? Anyway, antitrust. No, antitrust. No, it's not pirating because every single one of them, right? It pops up and says, what do you call it? Activate Windows. So we're not pirating Windows, right? All right, who is this clown? What are you talking about? Who is this guy? Yeah, you should probably fuck all the way off. How about that? How about if you all the way off? Because, and here's the big kicker. I've been sober for 8 years, so
made a grave mistake.
you can fuck all the way off. Yeah, it's definitely a bot. Yeah, and I don't plan on gaming on this laptop. This laptop is just going to be for running DVDs, and because it's got a DVD drive and DVD burner, yada yada yada. But yeah, I've been sober for 8 years now, just about 8 years. It's like 7 and some change. It'll be 8 in November. So whatever that guy was doing, yeah, it's probably just a bot, but still, like, why, you know, to what end? What is that going to achieve? You coming in here and saying like, oh, you acted so crazy, you're drunk, blah blah blah. Like, what are you trying to achieve exactly? Like, it's one thing to be like, hey, do you want more people to watch your stream? Like, hey, I can help you do that. To come in here and just be like, da 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 da, like, okay. Anywho, so Windows 11, there's a lot of good distros out there. You know, to each their own. I understand if there's some hesitation, you know, to download and install them. That's why I said I get a thrift store laptop, throw them on there, test them out. Do not install these on your main system if you're suspicious of it. Got what info? Ty's son probably got what info? Off of X-Lite? Anyway. Anywho. Yeah, bots abound. Hello. Hello, sir. Tokoko. How do I say that? Tokoko? Tokoko? Hello. Sudo says he's running Arch on his laptop. Arch Linux. You like that one? Yeah, so again, I'm probably not going to be gaming on this one. Yes, well, a lot of times, right, these custom OSs, a lot of times people turn off the updates and then install them as needed, right? So they just come in and install them like manually. Yeah. And again, if that's your concern, then you don't have to install them. I'm not here to argue one way or another, like, hey, install them, don't install them. That's why you buy a cheap thrift store laptop. If you want to test them out, don't install them on your main machine. That, you know, that goes without saying. If you're worried about security and you're worried about that stuff, then just don't install them. That's it. But we're going to install Linux on this laptop. This one is Atomic X Lite. Yeah, it's basically another distro of Windows that is like Tiny 11. Now, Tiny 11's gotten a lot of popularity lately, and it's pretty good. I've tried it. It's not bad. This one is only 1.1 gigabyte ISO, the X Lite, and then 1.8 when installed. Arch is masochism, to be honest. I'm here to argue about this, though. Haha. Can't imagine bricking my system every 2 weeks. Okay. Do you know how to install Windows? Anywho, okay. Moving on. Moving on, folks. Let's fire this thing up, shall we? So, we got Ventoy rocking over here. Have you guys messed with Ventoy at all? Ventoy is phenomenal. I just found it. I got all my higher-end boot CD stuff on here, so you can get into recovery. It's a 64 gig drive, and you can install anything right from one drive. So I got Linux distros on here. I got a couple of Windows distros up here. So I got Ghost Spectre 64, Ghost Spectre 32, Ghost Spectre 11. Those were both 10. This is 11. We got kernel ISO, and then that Atomic X-Lite. And then Hiren's boot CD. I got the Windows 10 version, which is great for this system because it would not boot the Windows 11 version because it doesn't have enough RAM. It's only got 4 gigs of RAM. And did you know there's a Windows XP version of Hiren's boot CD? So, but we're going to Linux. I did download Linux Mint Cinnamon. So this is, I think, 22.2 Cinnamon. And then also Zorin ISO. If you get, so a lot of people are worried about, you know, these security updates, like Tyson over here. He's worried about security updates for Windows 10. So that's why, you know, some people are switching over to Linux because, you know, they don't want to be at risk on Windows. So they're going to either buy a new computer, dump whatever they got, or switch to Linux. And Zorin is one. Hopefully it doesn't start downloading. Yeah, there we go. Zorin is one that just came out with 18, and they're trying to pick up some of those users that have older systems that want to switch over to Linux. So this is Zorin OS. And it looks very, very similar to Windows, right? So they're trying to capture some of that market. I mean, it looks very, very similar to Windows. Thousands of games. Oh, nice. I didn't know Epic Games had a Linux version. But yeah, so they're trying to capture this market. They just came out with 18. So we could try that one, but I wanted to install Linux Mint on here because I played around with it last night and it worked pretty well, I must say. Hang on. I need another scene over here. So we'll just go ahead and trigger it up. So we've got Linux Mint. We're going to go ahead and boot that up. Yeah, Ventoy is great. I messed around with Ventoy last night. And like I said, I've got all those ISOs on there. I think I got like 20 gigs of ISOs, and it's a 64 gig drive. So, and I was just running Mint off of the thumb drive last night, and it was running pretty good. However, I'm going to install it directly to the system, and we can see how it runs. I've messed around with Linux in the past a little bit. However, since then, I mean, this was years ago. Since then, it has improved remarkably. And most of the builds are open source, they're community driven, and they don't spy on you like Windows. Windows is starting to be like Big Brother more and more. Like I said, let me show you this other recall, I think it was. Yes, right here. Microsoft Windows recall. Hang on. Close up. No, this one. Here it is, guys. So this is coming to a Windows 11 machine near you. Windows 11 Recall is a feature that takes snapshots of your screen to create a searchable history of your PC activity, available on Copilot and PCs. This is enabled by default and requires the user to opt in to save snapshots, right? But it's just like anything else Microsoft rolls out quietly that you won't even know. Hey, Gordon, how you doing? That you won't even know has been updated, and then it's running in the background constantly and saving these screenshots. And they say, don't worry, your data is safe. It's just for you. It's not for Microsoft. But I'll bet you in the middle of the night, either Microsoft is downloading these screenshots, or it's going to have an AI like Spider bot just looking at the images and sending that data, you know, just reading the screenshots, because AI can now analyze all these screenshots, and they said it's integrated directly with Copilot. So what do you think it's going to be doing? Copilot's going to be looking at all the screenshots, taking all that data, sending it back to Microsoft. That's my guess, because your data is worth it to Microsoft. They want your data. They want to know what you're up to so that they can advertise to you and sell you stuff. Anyway, this is coming very soon, and most people don't know that it's even rolling out. So it's just going to quietly come with an update, and you won't know it's there. And then the next thing you know, all your data is being sold to Microsoft. But anyway, this video explains it all. And this was, what, January 9th? It's an exclusive to Copilot plus PCs. Yeah. Yeah. So anyway, keep an eye out for that. But yeah, Zorin looks really good, but we're on Linux Mint right now. So, and I don't know why my camera seems like it's out of focus. Or maybe it's just low resolution. I'm not sure. Let me see. Yep. Okay. Anywho. We're just going to go ahead and install Linux Mint. There it goes. You a normie trying or elite man? Huh? I don't know. You tell me, symbiotic parasite. Am I familiar with Linux in normal terms? I'm familiar with Linux. I don't know about, I guess I don't know what you're asking. Am I fluent in Linux? No. This is not the first time I've installed Linux, but I'm not fluent with like the command line or anything like that. What about you? Are you fluent in Linux? Should I install Linux alongside Windows? What do you guys think? It says it's letting me do it. You're a teacher at college and you teach security. Okay, cool. So you teach security as far as Linux or as far as like Windows. So you should talk to Mr. Tyson over here. Do yes, no. Okay. Well, do you have you messed around with any like Windows distros? And should I delete Windows off of this machine or should I install it alongside? That's the question. I feel like I should just erase it, but if I ever need to go into Windows again. Offensive security with Kali primarily. Okay. Offensive security. What's offensive security? You actually go out and block certain things? And I'm still trying to decide if I want Windows or not on this machine. I mean, it's running okay, but it's not running great. Busy YT said hi. Did you say hi? Do, sir, hacking. So you teach hacking? What's going on, sir? Sir. What is up, busy YT? Anywho. Yes, I did. I don't see where you said hi. Don't see that, unfortunately. Was it on this channel or on something else? Huh. You teach hacking. That's interesting. On Kali Linux? And they teach that in college? They teach hacking in college? That's crazy. Hi, do you have hippopotamonstrossequipedaliophobia? Anyway, should I keep, let me ask you, Mr. Parasite, should I keep Windows or just go Linux all the way? I mean, it doesn't really matter. This machine is like, anyway. But what do you think? Let's take a vote. Who says I keep Windows or should I just install Linux on this machine? Go all the way. One vote for go all the way. All right. I was kind of thinking that anyway, because F Windows. Advanced features. What is this? Use LVM with the new Linux Mint. What is that? What's LVM? Mr. Parasite? What's LVM? What's LVM? Anybody know? Bueller? 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 LVM. I don't even know what that is. What could it be? I don't think I need to encrypt it. Use LVM. Look it up. Oh, it's a volume manager? Ah. Does it matter? Flexible disk management, like resizing partitions and creating snapshots. You can set up LVM manually by creating physical volumes, volume groups, and logical volumes, or choose an option during installation for automatic LVM partitioning and encryption. Using LVM is generally recommended for managing multiple drives or when you need features like live resizing of partitions, though it adds a layer of complexity for single disk systems. So I don't think I need that. I don't think I need that. Not on this machine. This is just going to be like a basic machine, right? I'm actually setting this up for my son primarily. It has a DVD drive, so it's basically just going to be like a play laptop where he can watch DVDs and do whatever. He's 2.5, so that's why I got this. We'll just go with that. Okay. Linux Mint, select the drive. Yep, the entire disk will be used. Sure. Let's do it. And to that, we say, F you, Bill Gates. Oh. All right. We're in Miami. Miami? We're not in Miami, but close enough. Come on. Why isn't it? Is it selecting Miami? Whatever. Okay, why is it not selecting it? Close enough. Who are you? Oh, not Copper. Don't even know how to spell my own son's name. Come on. And this part will be. And we're back, folks. What do we got here? Never in my life would I take tech tips from someone who is childishly profane and whose finger pecks the keyboard. Fuck Windows doesn't scream balanced, minded, and mature. Well, that's wonderful of you to say. And thanks for stopping by, Mr.
You have made a
Unlokia.
grave mistake.
Idiot. Idiots. Not to mention, who's giving tech advice? Not me. Look, you guys take advice from whoever you want it to. Okay? I'm just here doing a stream. But don't roll up in here like that. Okay? What'd you get? Oh, we got a package. Let's go. I got packages. Let's see. Sure, that's why infrastructure runs on Windows, because it's so stable. Gotcha. I love banning people. It's one of my favorite things to do, by the way. And yeah, I'm not giving tech advice. Like, what I do on my computers is what I do on my computers. You can follow what I do or not. I don't really care. I'm just streaming. But like I said, I don't roll up into other people's streams and be like, I'm not doing this, I'm not doing that. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for stopping in. See ya. You don't have to be here. I didn't ask you to come in here. Oh, I don't know. He just came in and Unlokia. He was like, oh, I would never take tech advice from someone who pecks at the keyboard like a childish blah, blah, blah. And then throws his middle fingers up and blah, blah, blah. I know. I'm like.
And then they want other people to be musical like them, but.
Yeah. And I'm like.
You just feel bad for them.
Yeah. And I'm just like, okay. I didn't tell you to take tech advice. And I'm not offering tech advice. I'm just doing a live stream. Nice.
And look who I got.
Check that out, guys.
Wow. Fine.
Crystal Fine.
Not the best.
Captain America. Yeah, he's not very what's the word? Articulate or.
Yeah, but I asked Cooper which toy he wanted, and that was the one he grabbed. So.
Good choice, buddy. Ooh, and all those dinosaurs? What? Nice. But yeah, so I'm having a good stream because I got to ban like quite a few people. But we're just installing Linux, so.
Yeah, I mean, people are gonna pop in and.
Oh, I know. Well, it's probably because my title says FAQ Windows. It's not profane. It's just FAQ Windows. The prices? Oh, yeah, we got a nice little hacienda over here. Is that what it's called? Hacienda? What is it called? I don't know. It's like a Spanish
chicken?
market.
$2.
What the? $2 for this
$2.68.
full chicken cutlet or chicken leg quarter.
New York steak for
Wow.
$8.25.
Two big steaks for $8.25.
And we've had
Nice.
those before, and they're good.
Nice.
These are the same ones from last time.
Nice. But yeah, so this other guy, he's pretty nice. This symbiotic parasite. He's been, I guess he says he teaches how to do hacking in college. I didn't know they taught hacking in college, but here we are. He seems pretty nice, and he says infrastructure runs on Windows because it's so stable. Yeah, you know, stable's a relative term, you know. Right, exactly. And then you got that other guy that rolled up in here and is like, what's that for? Well, thank you. Thank you. Yes, yeah. And a lot of people are feeling that because, you know, Windows 10, you know, they're just like, Windows 10, we're abandoning it and everyone who uses it. So upgrade or die. It's cynical. It runs on Linux. What's cynical? Uh-oh.
Come on, honey.
What'd you do, bud? You okay? What happened?
I don't know. I didn't see it.
Did you fall? Maybe he hurt his fingers or something?
You okay?
You okay, bud? Did you fall down or
I think
something?
he fell maybe on the dinosaur.
Did you hurt your hand? You okay? Oh, buddy. What's wrong? Here, you want Mr. Captain America? Yeah.
How cute this one is.
Which one? But yeah, so I appreciate you hanging out. Oh, the comment about, yes. It's cynical, it runs on Linux. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I don't know what he did. I think maybe he landed like on his finger or something because he had a toy in his hand, and I think maybe he landed on his finger because he jumped up and he was like, nah. Thank you. He's a cutie. He's our first, and he's about 2.5, and he's amazing. And do you have kids, Mr. Symbiotic Parasite? Symbiotic Parasite. Is that like Venom? Oh, you got 2. Right on. Are they older? Younger? Coach Mob Jr. Yeah, I don't know why some of these chats like start repeating if I scroll up and down. Some of them do, some of them don't. I don't know why they do that. It's the plugin I'm using. 5 and 8. Nice. Yeah, I can't wait till he's a little bit older. He's slightly like speech delayed, but the last couple of days he's been talking a lot more, which is great. But yeah, I know it's hard to think about, like, you know, because 5-year-olds are like so with it, you know, and it's like he's almost 3. He'll be 3 in March, and yeah, it's crazy to think about how fast he grows. But he's doing good. He's definitely learning every day. No major like medical things going on. Other than, you know, being a little speech delayed, but they say boys too like talk later than girls. Girls like to talk.
it's not like he doesn't talk. It's just not actually. Like when we were at when he was naming everything, I was picking up.
Yeah. See, yeah. See, like he knows all the words. He's just very selective as to when he says them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. And that's why I'm doing up the laptop for him, you know, like so he has something he can learn with and play with. And I got 3 laptops on a thrift store website, right, for $30. This was one of them, and this was the nicest one. It's got a little crack right here, like the screen thing is just cracked right there. But other than that, it was fine. I can upgrade the RAM in it to 8 gigs. I could update it to an SSD, but it's not really worth it. That's what I keep saying. LPDDR5X. I can't say for sure yes or no if installing Linux will help extend battery life. Symbiotic, do you know? Yes, I agree. He'll do it in his own way. And that's how I've always felt since he was born. It's like everybody learns at their own pace. Everybody has their own way of doing things. But he's learning. We can tell he's very, very smart. Like I said, it's more of like he's selective as to when he wants to talk, right? He knows all the words. He knows all of his ABCs. He can count to 20 by himself, and then he can count to 100 with mommy. Knows all of his ABCs, knows tons of words. It's just not like sentences just yet. Sometimes, but yeah, somewhat. Okay, it costs less resources to run. Right, yes, so it's not gonna fix a battery that is failing. So if the battery is failing, it's not gonna stop that, but apparently it will help the battery. Now, from what I do know is just like on phones, right? This is my phone camera over here, phone camera. So just like on phones, the LCD and the brightness of said LCD is what chews up the battery the most. Anytime your phone, so that's why I turn off most of the notifications on my phone, because every time that screen has to light up, you're burning battery needlessly. So if you can, turn the brightness down, you know, turn your brightness all the way down. Yeah, there it goes. So turn the brightness all the way down if you can get away with it, and just make sure, you know, your power settings are ideal. So like if you are one of those people that, you know, reads an email, sends an email off, then gets up and, you know, goes and makes a coffee or goes and gets lunch, make sure your computer is going to sleep within like 2 or 3 minutes of inactivity, because that's going to save your battery as well. Just little things like that. Like there's a lot of things you can do to extend your battery life. But that's pretty good. 680M. I saw one of those the other day. Does it have, it has DD, oh, are you talking about the graphics card has DDR5? Yeah. Yeah, no, like I said, the battery, the thing that burns up the battery the most is the brightness on your screen, right? So if you can set all your things to like 2-3 minutes, because it's with inactivity. So I'm not using the laptop. So within 2 minutes, it's going to sleep. Because why have it sitting there for 15-20 minutes? There's no point. You're not even at the computer. So get away with, like, you could even do 1 minute. like 1 minute. As soon as it's 1 minute of activity, you get up and walk away, it's going to sleep. It's going to save your battery. But yeah, OLED, all that, you know, just depends on the technology. I don't know the difference between OLED and LED, like which one is more battery intensive, which one is less battery intensive. But look up some videos like on YouTube, how to extend your battery life, right? But just little things like that. Just little things like that. Mr. Pretty Boy says hi. Hello, pretty boy. How are you? Ooh, what are we doing? Ooh. Would you mind making me a coffee? Or are you busy? Okay, thank you. Yeah, but apparently, and Mr. Jazera, I just installed Linux Mint, and it had an option to install it alongside Windows, so you could dual boot, so you could do some testing yourself. If you install Linux Mint, there'll be an option on there that says install alongside Windows, and then you can select which OS you want. We went all in on this one because F Bill Gates, we don't need any of it. We don't need any of this riffraff. Okay, keep the battery between 20 and 90%. Yeah, I heard that too. Like, and there's a setting on the iPhone battery. You can have it stop at 90% charge or 95% charge. I think I have mine set at 95. I'm not sure why that helps extend it, but I guess extending it to 100% is bad. I don't know why. I'm good. How are you? We're doing good. We're doing all right. We're just installing Linux on this old HP laptop for my son. This is going to be his laptop. Did you get any DVDs or not so much?
I didn't get any at the library. I just couldn't get myself to go, and I just did the Dropbox.
Oh, what'd you get?
They're not great.
Really?
Retrievers. These are like 90s movies, I'm pretty sure.
As Seen on Animal Planet. What's the other one?
Actually, this one's from 2012. It's like about some kids.
The Solomon Bunch.
This one's one of the best films of the year.
Never heard of it. One of the best films of the year. Million.
They're only $1. So.
Yeah, they're $1 at the thrift store.
Mm-hmm.
Thrift store.
They have really crappy selection, but
Yeah.
they did have one thing, and I didn't get it because I feel like you can somehow figure out how to do this without going to the thrift store. But they had this like Disney video game for the Wii U, but it was like one of the Disney games that I used to want as a kid. So I almost got it, but.
Okay. So let's go ahead and restart. It says the installation finished. Right now we're running off the thumb drive, but it says anything you do while you're doing the testing, right, is gonna basically crap out. So it won't save because we were running off the thumb drive. I think. I don't know if you guys can see that.
And I showed him one of those dinosaurs.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
He was scared.
Oh, he was scared?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, sorry, we got another comment here. Ukes, favorite football club. Which, you talking about American football? Hang on. I think I pulled the thumb drive out and it kernel panicked on me. Okay, so full charge is recommended every 3 months or so. I didn't know that. There we go. Linux Mint. Yeah, I think that's what happened. I pulled the thumb drive because I thought it was shut down completely, and then I was reading the script and it was like kernel panic. I'm like, that's never a good thing. Oh, Mr. GG Go. Hi, how are you doing? I'm good. How are you? Football club. Yeah, so you were saying, like, are you talking about American football or like football? Also, pretty boy, can I tell you something? What would you like to tell me before I say yes or no? And we're just about up here. It's taking a minute. I feel like it was running faster off of the thumb drive. There we go. I wonder if this is just the first install. Why it's taken so long to start up. Now this does have an old platter drive too, so that could be part of it, but there we go, and we're up. So I'm gonna install, but oh, welcome to your new operating system. Well, this welcome screen will guide you through your first steps and show you how to find help and where to get more information about Linux Mint. All right, give me 1 second. I'm gonna install something here. What's he got? Oh, his.
Give him a try down here.
Nice. I think he did actually.
Oh, he did?
Yeah, he tried the one earlier.
Oh, Mexican.
Okay, so I have to install that. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm installing Rust to Desk. Like what you're looking for isn't what you're looking for. Oh, sorry. Do you ever feel like where you're supposed to be isn't where you're supposed to be? Something really good. Okay. Like what you're looking for isn't what you're looking for. Yeah. I feel like everybody's felt that way from time to time, don't you? Pretty boy wants to tell me something really good. Well, it better be really good, or I've got something really good for you. Come on, close that. And it should be it for that for now. Let me. Come on. Okay. Hey, and we're up. I got a graceful voice, bro. You should do ASMR. What? I got a graceful voice. What? Hey, you got a graceful voice. I have a graceful voice? Really? I always thought my voice was kind of... Hey, Cat Spades here. Did your thing go off? Oh, because it's not on YouTube. That's why.
Draw the cat
Spade.
eyes sharp enough to kill a man.
Over here, so we can do the
He did some
intro.
bad things, but I'm the worst of them.
I know I can set it up for YouTube, but I haven't really set a lot of stuff up on YouTube. W Speed, what's W Speed? So anyway, this is a little application called Rust Desk. It's pretty handy. It's like, what's that other one called? AnyDesk, if you guys have heard of AnyDesk. This one's open source. It's got a Linux flavor as well. So I put a bunch of apps and stuff on there, but it's nice because you can see exactly what we're working with over on Linux. And I can just shut this. But let me adjust the image quality. Good image quality. And yeah, that's fine. So last night, yeah, I was messing around with this panel settings because I'm gonna do auto hide and then bump this up to 200. Pull this down a little bit, so then this is what it looks like. Panel appearance center zone. We'll leave it like that. I don't think I have to save. So it's kind of cool. PC. No, this is Linux. This is not PC. We're on Linux. This is actually my laptop right here. So I got my laptop rocking right here. Hang on. My main computer, yes, I'm running Windows on, but this is the laptop actually right here. So hang on. As you can see right here. So I'm moving my mouse around here and what is this? Wolf, the end is nigh and only Jesus saves this world passing away for eternity. Da, 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 da. Everyone has sinned, which condemns them to damnation without Jesus. Well, thank you, Wolf. Thanks, Wolf. Cat Spade sent 10 hype over on Kick. Let's go. We got some hype. Yeah, well, and I got this laptop. I got this laptop and two others for $32 on a thrift store website. This one, it was running Windows 10, not very well. We were locked out. I managed to get into it, and now I'm installing Linux on here because Linux seems to be running a lot smoother than Windows was running. Plus, forget Bill Gates. We don't need him. They stopped supporting Windows 10, so can't see my face. Sure you can. How about now? How about now? I know, I thought about that. I need to add those videos to my repertoire. One overheats, switch out. What do you mean one overheats?
I think you're talking about the you buying multiple laptops.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, so yes, if one overheats, I can just swap to the next one. But no, one of them, the screen was completely like smashed, and it was actually the newer laptop. And I went ahead and dismantled it. It had a 1 terabyte SSD in it, 16 gigs of DDR4. So I pulled those out, Then I pulled all the motherboard and everything else out of it, put all the parts up on eBay, and then I sold just the keypad and trackpad and body of it. Yeah, I know. Is it a woman? I doubt it. Steel Gamer. But so I sold just the chassis with the keyboard and trackpad for $41. So I actually made a profit and got 2 more laptops out of the deal. So now I can use this laptop to kind of play around with, experiment. It's got a DVD burner and CD player, etc. So that's what we're doing that right now. So we're setting it up. We're setting up Linux. We're messing around with Linux because I haven't messed around with Linux, but it's on the laptop right here. So that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. But again, hello. Did it go to sleep? What happened? There we go. Okay. Yeah. So panel edit mode. So I can take and put these. This is what I did last night. Just drop this in the center, and it's not working. There we go. Right there. So I like this to where this is in the center, and then I took the clock and put the clock over here. Ooh, Gabby Maru, welcome in. Yes, that is very true. Symbiotic parasite. Check out Gabby Maru over on Kick, guys. He's over on Kick. Check him out. A little busy, but I got you. A little busy. You doing some video editing? Video editing. He's been getting into video editing lately, guys. Go check him out. Oh, he's never going to stream on Kick again, so check him out anyway. Ah, okay, he's making a Devil May Cry edit. Did you even encounter a problem during this stream? Did you even encounter a problem during this stream? Huh? Anyway, my grammar, it does. It indeed does. Do I ever encounter a problem? All the time. I get them all the time. Anyway, oh, update manager popped up. Anyway, I was doing this. So it's similar to Windows, right? I don't think I need the printer icon here. I'm going to remove printers. We don't need that. Yep, don't need that. Is this notifications? What is this? Notifications. We can move this around. I'm going to put that at the end. So we got notifications on the end. Favorites, I'm going to put that with notifications. Yeah, we'll leave the battery over there too. Eject, what's this? Virus type stuff. We'll put that over there too. Oh no, that's my current programs that are open, I think. But anyway, it's nice. You can move stuff around. You can also add new panels, right? So like, you don't just have to have one panel at the bottom. You can put a panel along the side, a panel on the top. You can change the panel settings. It's pretty cool, actually. And it's not lagging. It's just the rust desk because the laptop's running off of Wi-Fi to the network. And then, can you tell me what problems I encountered? Well, initially, well, I mean, that's a loaded question. Like, initially, when I first started streaming, I was on a smaller PC. I was on a mini PC and an iMac. So I was streaming from the iMac and then gaming from the other PC. So, I mean, there's been all sorts of problems. So, dropped frames, laggy streams, streams not connecting, trolls that roll in here and say 676767. I mean, you name it. There's all kinds of crazy stuff that happens when you stream. So be ready for it. I was just about to ask.
Sorry.
That's more like it. Yeah, it's all right. Sorry, and I apologize if I'm missing chats, guys. Kind of small. What's kind of small? No, I didn't do TikTok because TikTok is primarily my what do you call it? It's primarily Fortnite. Yeah. Well, the stream isn't laggy, and both of my streaming PCs are hooked up to, or actually my mini PC and my streaming PC are hooked up via Ethernet. But my laptop right now, the one that you're seeing here, this is just a virtualization. So this is actually the laptop screen, right? So I'm beaming the laptop screen over to my other computer via Rust Disk. Oh, thank you, Symbiotic. I appreciate it. Thank you for the subscription. I'm always trying to grow the channel more and more. And thank you for the vibes as well. You guys make the stream what it is, not me. I'm just here doing whatever I do. But you guys are what make it fun. So take care, and I look forward to talking more tech stuff with you. Like a 4. Sorry. Let me go back and see kind of small. Let me see. Okay. Don't worry about it 5 times. Sticks. Oh, small percentage of newbie problems. Yes, newbie problems. Hey, thanks again, man. Thanks again, Symbiotic. Yeah, try to block specific words like 6767. Open your comments, click the gear icon, click the blocked words. Thank you, 5 time. I will definitely add 67 to the list because I don't even. Yeah. I'm older than I look, but I don't even know what 67 means.
It doesn't mean anything.
Yeah, it means something. It means something.
No, it's
all these things mean. Yeah, all these things mean something, honey. It doesn't mean anything. Yeah, it doesn't mean anything because they don't want you to know what it means. Oh, it doesn't mean anything. Don't worry, it doesn't mean anything.
here.
Thank you. A nice cup of hot coffee. Oh, here we go. Casino Baba. $60,000 giveaway.
What?
I'm sure. Bye-bye, Casino Baba.
Wait, do the band thing. Do the band thing.
I've already done it enough.
Oh.
And we all know he's a bot. Yeah, scam bot.
But I like
Sorry,
the band
Casino
thing.
Baba. I know, but I've already played it twice today.
Okay.
So we banned enough people today. I'll probably play it in a little bit. Plus, you can't really hear it, but it is on there. Let me turn. So it's nice because I can crank the brightness on the laptop all the way down, but You could tell your wife trained you good. That's true. That's true. She trained me well. But I can turn the brightness all the way down on the laptop and it doesn't affect the picture over here on Rust Desk. So that's kind of nice. So now I can save on the battery power here. We've still got an hour and 54 minutes remaining on here, but we can hit it on power saver. So really we're just playing around with Linux today. She does her best. She does. And she makes a mean cup of coffee, let me tell you. It is Keurig, but she's got the ratios. You know what I mean?
No, what I do is
Oh, Grumpy's here. Is that really drink milk? Why are you yelling at me, Grumpy? And is Grumpy Cat still alive? Guys, I'm pretty sure Grumpy Cat's dead. Are you the real Grumpy Cat? I'm not sure about that. All right, let's does it have milk? It's got creamer in it. We've got the Starbucks creamer. It's not bad, folks. It's not bad. We like the creamer.
Oh, anyways, what I do is I make you a cup of coffee. I put a little bit too much cream, and then I take a tablespoon of instant coffee and
Boom.
top that up.
Boom. It's kind of like a shot of espresso. A little bit. Yeah, but it's a cheap shot of espresso. You take a little instant coffee and you just go bloop, 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 sprinkle, sprinkle. You just do a little sprinkle. She goes like this. She's like sprinkle, sprinkle right in there. It does have creamer. Is creamer technically milk? Also, I am alive. So this is the real Grumpy Cat? This is the real Grumpy Cat. Let's go. I actually bought a stuffed Grumpy Cat at a yard sale one time. And then I took it over to our local AA chapter and left it there. And a buddy of mine fell in love with it. So anyway, we're back here. Welcome to your new operating system. This welcome screen will guide you through your first steps, show you how to find help and where to get more information about Linux Mint. I'm guessing just linuxmint.org or Google Linux Mint. Yay, finally milk! We're besties. Yep. Let's see. On behalf of the development team and everyone involved in the project, we'd like to thank you for choosing Linux Mint. We hope you'll enjoy using it as much as we enjoy working on it. Have a great time and don't hesitate to send us your feedback. So, Spade family is here. Meow meow. So Linux Mint is community driven. It's made by the community and it's open source and it's more secure than Windows 10 is going to be. I didn't mean to be logged into that one. Come on, Spade family. Let's go. Okay, so we got desktop colors. First, make yourself at home. Choose your favorite color. And if you prefer a light or dark desktop theme, let's launch it. Yes, Aaron. I see. Welcome screen of Linux. You are the first in 1,000 YouTube lives to finally drink milk. Let's see. It says, bro, why doesn't it show my comments? Because that's your first comment. I'm confused. Let's go dark. Always dark. Love the dark themes. Oh, also, who was asking about the battery power? Dark themes. Dark themes are best. Am I just starting out? Starting out with what? Starting out with Linux? Yes. There we go. The PC space. Sometimes YouTube will filter out like comments from, well, let's call them sus people. No, I'm just messing with you. Sometimes they filter out comments. I don't know why. I don't know why it does it. It's just oh, you use Arch. Let's go. Now, I just chose Linux Mint because I've been hearing a lot of people lately. They're installing Linux Mint on their old Windows machines because oh, am I starting out streaming? No, sir. No, sir. This is not my first rodeo.
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you.
Oh yeah, thank you. He's our first. He's 2.5. Yeah, I normally stream Fortnite content. I've been streaming Fortnite for a couple years now, but just recently got back into doing the tech stuff because I thought, you know, when I started, yeah, you did get rickrolled. You all got rickrolled, not me. But you can use that command over on Kick. I don't know about using it on YouTube. You could try some of the commands over there, Kat. I don't know if they work or not over here.
On YouTube?
Yeah, on YouTube. I don't know if they work over here. Twerk? Welcome to Linux. Why, thank you. Thank you. Let's see if the twerk command works. He is so cute. You said that already? Yeah, Rickroll doesn't seem to be working. I'm gonna have to work on that. I do know if you want some of those commands to work, you can go over to kick.com. We're live over there as well. Also, if you guys are watching the vertical, we do have a horizontal as well. So the horizontal stream is going hot right now as well. And thank you for welcoming me. Oh, there it goes. Jesus. He is excited to be in the stream. You can hear him every now and again. He's like, "Rah!" The PC space uses Arch. How do you like Arch? Is Arch better than Mint? I just, like I said, I went with Mint because I had been seeing a lot of other tech people installing it on other people's machines. Have you ever had soup with tea? I don't think so. But I've been seeing a lot of other tech channels, people upgrading, you know, mom and pop with their outdated Windows machines over to Linux, or doing some campaigns where, you know, they pick up old tech like this that they say Windows 11 can't be installed on, and then they install Linux Mint on it and then sell it on eBay. So Arch is very hard. I don't really like it. Oh, okay. Okay. And so, yeah, I'd been seeing a lot of stuff on Linux Mint. So I thought I'd give it a shot. Yeah, there are Botrix commands. However, the Botrix commands only work on Kick, I believe. Have I ever had soup with tea? It should come up with the Lumia commands when you hit commands. Oh, maybe that's why. Offline. YouTube's offline on Lumia. Hang on. I think I know why. I have to add the tech channel over here. Oh, snap. Looks like I can only add one YouTube channel. All right, so it says connection successful. All right, now you could maybe try it. Try doing some commands over there. Twerk it if you got it. Brain ticklers? What does that mean? Hello. What is happening? Brain ticklers. Hello. All right, so we got. Yes, I do have a Discord server. Mint is great though. It's easy, beautiful, and beginner friendly. Yeah, that's kind of what I was getting at. I'm almost positive you have. Did it work? It worked. Oh, somebody did it. Are you sure? Because I saw his come in first. Hold on. Let me test. Let me test another one. Is it working? I don't think it's working. Dang it. I'll have to figure that out later, guys. Nah, I just got this name from my parents. Brain ticklers. All right. Yes, I do have a Discord server. Let me see if that command works. None of my commands are working. It should be in the Discord. I will copy and paste this. Give me a second. Copy. Paste. Yeah, I'll have to figure it out. There's so much to do with some of these commands via Lumia. I use Lumia Stream. It is hooked up, but so it should be working. I don't know why it's not working. Chat commands, chat matches are locked. Okay, I don't know what that is. Okay. All right. Well, hey, thanks for being here. What's Cat's pad? What do you mean? What's Cat's pad? Oh, her laptop? Yeah, he said, what's Cat's pad? And I was like, are you talking about her laptop? Or... Wow.
I don't know if it's necessary to do that.
It's not. It's really not.
He's making soup.
Who's making soup? Oh, okay. Let's go. Let's go. But yeah, so PC Space, thanks for being here. I'll test out some of these commands later on Lumia and get them working. But if you guys want to mess with some of the commands, head over to bro at the top. Looks kind of cute. What? What? I'll work on getting these commands set up. What's easy? Pooping a whole watermelon or peeing a grape? What? I'm confused. Anywho, be sure to check out the Discord. Let's see. In mixed mode, most applications are light. Some desktop elements are dark. Create contrast. I don't really care for that yellow, so maybe we'll go with this blue. Blue and green. Yeah, we'll go with the blue and the green. Minty Y. We'll go with that. All right, system snapshots. Wait, what? This is an interactive stream? It will be, yes. Yes, it will be. How you know that? You want to know how you know that? Because she pushed that. She pushed that out of her. What's that? Is that a? He put some dinosaurs in her coffee.
Yeah,
And this
I can't
morning,
even show it, but he's been doing that.
and this morning he put 2 Hot Wheels in my coffee. So, cheers.
So that's what we're up to.
But no, she pushed that one out of her. So I think she would know if pooping a watermelon would hurt more. Oh, this guy's name is Something Wong. I like your name. Something Wong. What? And he's got the Jackie Chan meme like, what?
Oh my god.
Something Wong. No.
Dinosaurs make me poop?
What the? What?
What are we talking about?
I don't even know. No, I'm talking about him. She pushed him out of her. So she would know that pooping a watermelon probably hurts more.
Gosh, this stream has gone off the rails.
Yeah, it did. We watch out. We got a pedo over here. Pedo alert. He says, "Can we bid money for your son? Highest bid gets him." No.
No, but
No.
what the hell?
That's weird. And it kind of sounds like you're a pedo. Just saying.
I don't know what that person's name is, but we don't think pedo jokes are funny.
Yeah, it's not funny.
We're really scared of
It's
pedos,
not
actually.
funny. This stream is really interesting. Well, it's something. It's something. That's all I know. Mr. Brain Ticklers. I like your name, by the way. Brain Ticklers.
At first I thought it was Brian, so I was like,
Brian Ticklers? What the? Uh-oh. I'm going to turn this camera off. Bear with me, guys.
what do you want for
don't
birthday?
think
Are
we
you
do.
hungry?
I don't think we need
Are you
this
hungry?
cam anymore. Give me 1 second.
Here, what's your bowl?
It's something. Pardon me. What are you doing? Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Wow. That's your laptop, buddy. Here, chill. See? That's your laptop. What do you think? Oh, he's upset, guys. Wow. He's upset, guys. She's getting him some popcorn, I think. Brian Ticklers doesn't have the same ring to it. It's low or him. What do you mean it's low or him? Sorry, sometimes I don't understand what you mean. When do you plan to put him on the adoption center so I can take him? Honey? Honey? You're up.
You have made a grave mistake.
Yeah, I'm doing it. Well, you can't. I'm sorry. I will let you know. Bye-bye.
That was so weird.
Bye-bye.
Like, people do that for attention.
I know.
Like, if you just commented anything, we'll pay attention to you.
Yeah.
You comment weird shit.
Yeah, don't comment weird shit. It's just weird. Don't be weird, guys. We're weird enough. But that's like the bad weird, right? We don't talk about like buying kids or selling kids or any of that weird pedo stuff. Like, no thanks. Even if you're joking about it, it's like, that's not something you joke about, right? Like, get out of here.
Yeah, Aaron, a lot of kids are going missing in general. It's very weird.
Yeah, it's very, very weird. We don't like it. So anyway, let's get back to Linux, guys. System snapshots. Okay, we don't need to do that. We're not backing anything up. But a minimum of 2 daily and 2 boot snapshots are recommended. If anything breaks, you can restore your computer to its previous working state. I guess I could do that. I'll do that later, but we don't have to do that right now. Try to say Coca-Cola while grabbing your tongue with your fingers. No. Check the driver manager to see if it recommends any additional drivers for your computer. Most hardware components are recognized by the Linux kernel and work automatically without the need to install drivers. Some, however, require proprietary drivers to be recognized or to work better. Definitely want to hit that one. We're going to do that. We're going to launch that. We're looking for drivers. Drivers are important. I don't know why they call them drivers. I don't know. Mr. French Invasion just went live over on Kick. Oh, no drivers needed. Let's go. Okay. Update Manager. The little shield icon in your system tray is your Update Manager. It provides software updates, security updates, and kernel updates to fix bugs, keep your computer safe, and support newer hardware components. Let's go ahead and launch the updates. Welcome to the Update Manager. This tool provides your operating system with software and security updates. Okay. So far on this laptop, it seems to be running fairly smooth. A new version of the Update Manager is available. Holy crap. Mint upgrade info 1.29 to 7.1.1. Jeez, that's a big jump. If I'm reading that correctly. Oh. I probably should have switched. Hang on. Yes, I'm going to switch to that. And I will come over here or here or hang on. I didn't know Tony Stark was my brother.
What?
I don't know. Tony Stark just came in. Welcome in, Tony Stark. And then Mr. Dravenik said hi, and yet he didn't. He said he said hi, but he really didn't. Because I didn't see it. Okay. 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 Apply the update. Let's go. Oh, gotta do this again. Come on, man. There it goes. Beep, 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 beep. Hello, everybody. Okay, so the update manager installed. Oh my God, look at all these updates. What the is all this? Printing systems, Debian package, the Firefox web browser, interpreter for PostScript, GhostScript. That sounds fun. What do we got here? Said Hi is a YouTube Shorts feature where people can press the button to say hi. Oh, is that what that means? Well, hello. I was wondering. I was like, said hi. I kept saying that. Well, thank you for letting me know, because now I feel like an a-hole. I'm sorry. Said hi. Okay, I didn't know that. I wish someone would have told me that. I thought people were just being rude with me all day. Like, yo, I said hi. Oh, hello. But really, they were just saying hi. Imagine how embarrassed I feel right now. Right now. Not really. Not really. We are installing Linux on a HP laptop. Linux Mint, to be exact. So this is actually Rust Desk right here. So this is a, what do you call it? Kind of like any desk where it's not virtualization. It's like, what's the word? Remote desktop. Thank you. I couldn't think of it. Hey, Sam. Hi. WSL. What's WSL mean? Sounds familiar. WSL.
Windows System for Linux.
No, I don't think so. Oh, hello, everybody. I don't think so. What's WSL? It reminds me of like ASL. But look at all these updates we got. Oh, it is. Okay. Windows Subsystem Linux. Is that what it is? No, this is Linux Mint. But we got all this stuff, so we're going to install all these updates. So this is a thrift store laptop that I found. It's a thrift store laptop that I found that I got 3 of them for $32 with like $20 shipping, something like that. So it's like $50, right? I got 3 of them. One of them had a 1 terabyte NVMe SSD in it and 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM. So I pulled those out of it because that laptop was completely smashed. I am not a developer. No, I'm not a software developer. I'm actually a graphic designer. And I started streaming like a couple years ago, doing like Fortnite stuff. But everybody and their mom is streaming Fortnite, and it's just not what it used to be. You know what I mean? So I did manage to get this channel monetized, doing some tech videos in the past. And so I kind of, you know, Fortnite's kind of lost its luster. There's too many cheaters on that game, and it's kind of gotten boring. So I figured, why not just stream doing tech stuff, just dorking around on the computer like we all do, you know, like, why not? And so far it's been really fun, you know. Something wrong. Do I play Battlefield 6? No, I have not played Battlefield 6. Not just yet. The last game I played was, or downloaded rather, was DayZ. You ever played DayZ? It's not great. Not great. Not gonna lie. Not great. It's okay, but like, I feel like they came out with the game in 2018 and then just got a bunch of money from people and then stopped development. Like, because you go into any of the buildings, if you go into any of the buildings, right, what do you call it? You go into any of these buildings, and like none of the buildings are like open. They're just like stairwells, and then all the doors are bolted shut. Oh, hello, fellow developer. There. But I wouldn't mind playing Battlefield 6. I might download it, actually. I was thinking about downloading it. But yes, Confused Cat. Hello, fellow developer. How are you? Brain ticklers, you know I have a serious question, and I will try to ask it politely. Please do. Please be polite. Because, and most people don't think of it like this, but this is how I think of it, right? Like, because you guys are seeing my world, right? This is my home. I'm welcoming, it's like I'm welcoming you into my home, right? So if someone came to the front door and knocked on the door and then just came in and said some weird shit like, hey, how much for your son? Like, get out of here, clown. You know what I mean? So it's like this, a lot of people don't look at it that way, but this is my stream. Like, I'm welcoming you into the stream. I'm welcoming you into our home, right? So y'all should act accordingly, right? So if I go into anybody else's stream, it's like they're welcoming me into their home, right? So I should act accordingly. Just because I'm online and, you know, I'm masked behind a fucking monitor and keyboard, that doesn't mean I can be a rude asshole. I just got an unexpected divine miracle. Microsoft Edge straight up disappeared from my system. Hallelujah! That's awesome. Okay, something wrong. It's fun, trust me, especially if you turn on voice chat. Very chaotic. You can actually destroy buildings in the game. Let's go. Let's go. And then this guy's brain ticklers. Suppose someone is with a girl and enjoying, but after the inning, girl says, your wood is good. So is it in a... Huh? What? What? I'm not sure what you're asking.
Neither does Jason.
Yeah, I agree, Confused Cat. Ask your therapist. You should ask your therapist about that one. I don't know what you just said, but ladies and gentlemen, it's not even Friday the 13th, and Jason Voorhees is here. And I didn't even know Jason Voorhees could talk, but I guess he's chatting on the keyboard, so that makes sense. But how do you hit the keys with a machete? I want to know. The people want to know. This is boring. It's like watching paint dry. Maybe we should do something else while this is installing. But it's nice because this is installing on said laptop, so I don't have to worry about it. I saw you for the first time. What are you doing this? What are you doing on this live? Huh? I'm King 2021 says, yo bro, I saw you for the first time. What are you doing on this live? What? Who are you? First of all, who are you? And this is my live, so that's what I'm doing. Oh, you're asking what we're doing. Yeah, we're watching paint dry. This is, you know, this is, I'm installing Linux Mint on a laptop. So this is actually the laptop. I'm remoting into it, and we're installing Linux Mint and running some updates. So it's like watching paint dry, but not as fun. Oh, that's a weird name. White Martin Luther King Sr. Where do you guys come up with these names? Like, seriously. Here's another flavor of Linux, if you guys are into that sort of thing. Zorin OS. It looks similar to Windows. Pretty much all the flavors of Linux kind of look like Windows nowadays. So they've made some great strides in Linux lately. But yeah, so this is another one. This just came out. Zorin 18, rather, just came out. Zorin 18 has arrived, and here it is. And you can download it. But yes, Windows 10 is reaching its end of life today. Well, a couple of other days. Confused Cat says Zorin is top tier, smooth, and has sharp fonts as well. I don't know who that is. Remind me of Zoran. Okay. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a flavor of Linux, I downloaded Zorin and I also downloaded Mint. So that's what we're doing right now. I think Mint is still cooking. It's still cooking. Let him cook. But I do have another game. Now you said, who said Plant versus Zombie? Is that a good one? I don't know. I don't even know. But I do have another game, and I don't know if we can play it over here. This one has been gaining some popularity lately. It's called Mega Bonk. Ah, crap. Hang on. What do you do while you live stream? Huh? What do I do? You're looking at it, pal. Hang on. Aha. Aha. There we go. Let's go exclusive full screen. What the hell does that mean? Maximize window, windowed. There we go. Resolution. No. Sorry guys, I'm trying to figure this out. Whoa, something's blowing up. You look like who? I don't know who that is. Mr. Dexter Morgan. Is that a citizen from the land of Toad? Hey, how's it going? Is that Bailey Kirk? Huh? What games are you into? You know, I played a little Fortnite there for a while. I'm trying to find a good resolution here. This one? That's the one I'm on, right? Okay. Let's try this one. No. Yeah, let's go back. Kind of want it to be... Okay. So, this game has been gaining lots of popularity lately. Mr. Mega Bonk, as it were. So, we can play this while Linux is cooking. Oh, did this shut off? Hang on. All right, Linux is done cooking. Let's play one game of this, and we'll see where we're at. How about that? Okay. Oh, it's like a Mr. Fox. Or we go with the knight. I think I'm gonna go with the fox. What do you think? Fox or Sir Oof? Sir Oof. That's a tough call. He's got a sword and reinforced armor. No. No, I don't play games on a virtual machine. This guy's got a fire staff. Shoots fireballs that explode on impact. That sounds fun. 1% luck per level. Luck is important, guys. Fox. No, that Linux, the laptop, right? So this is actually the laptop. Do I want to switch to local mirror? Yes. Cancel that. So anyway, all the updates are finished. System settings. Have a look at the system settings. Configure your operating system the way you like. Don't hesitate to customize it and make it feel like home. And then we got software manager and a firewall. So we'll come back to this, guys. We still got an hour and 37 minutes remaining. That's crazy. It's at 44%, but we still have an hour, 37 minutes. So I wonder if I can make it, how do I make it go to sleep? Does anybody know? How do I make it go to sleep? Sleep. Log out. Shut down. Lock the screen. I guess I'll just log out. Right? Let's log out. Let's see what that does. Okay, that shut down the virtual desktop as well. So, and that's fine. So we'll just leave this. Okay. Yeah, so I'm installing Linux on the laptop so that way I can mess around with it. And Windows 10 just came to its end of life a couple days ago. So these older machines need a new operating system, and that's where Linux comes in. And I think it's going to gain a lot of popularity. I'm going with the Fox. I think we should go with the Fox. We're confirming it. Confirming it. Now it says it has controller support. I like playing on a controller. That's just me. Okay. Okay, so he just randomly shoots fireballs. Oh, can I not swing? What do these other buttons do? Oh, what did I get? Fire staff throws bones that bounce off enemies. Ooh, HP regen. It's from 0 to 40. But I think this is the one to go with. Definitely, yeah, fireball up. We need more damage. Oh, I like how I can, nice. So I can move the camera with the other stick. That is handy. That is handy. Can you guys see okay? You guys are getting it? I feel like, is there a sprint button? Oh, what did I get? Oh, should I go even higher? Leaves a trail of fire behind you. Ooh, attack speed up 7%. Shoot, which one should I go with? Better than chucking it away. Yeah, it really is. And it's running really nice so far. Let's see. Attack speed plus 7% or leave a trail of fire. I'm gonna do attack speed. Oh, what's this guy? What's he doing? Oh, what's he got? Unstable transfusion. 27% chance to apply a stack of blood mark when hitting an enemy. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I would have gone with it, but plus 7%. That's huge. That's a big percentage. Okay, after evading, deal 2 times damage on the next attack and temporarily increase attack speed and movement speed. I don't know what blood mark is. I'm gonna go with this one. Did you see what he said? He said, "Thanks, idiot." That's hilarious. What's this? What's this? Oh god. Oh, what does this do? Gain silver gain, evasion, or movement speed. How to join bro with you from India. Huh? Is this multiplayer? I don't know if this is multiplayer. But I do love that I can move the camera around with the other stick. That's nice. Real nice. Yeah, I'm 44. And yeah, definitely older generations are playing video games nowadays. Ooh, what did I get? Oh, okay. What do we do here? Cooldown tome, attack speed, much faster. Damage goes to 16. Agility, movement speed to 15%. Should I go attack speed or movement speed? Is it multiplayer? This is my first time playing it, so I don't know. How do I sprint? Echo. No, Taname. Ooh. I might need to take a break, guys. Handmade. Okay, how do I sprint? And ISO speed is here. Is that the real ISO speed? Okay, let's see. Which one should I take? Cooldown time or cooldown tone? Attack speeds up 16%. Fire staff. Or movement speed. I feel like movement speed or attack speed. I'm gonna go attack speed. Because the faster I'm attacking, the more enemies I can destroy. And I don't know if I can sprint. Oh, what did I get? Okay, gain thorns. Gain 8% duration. What does that mean? I don't know what any of this means. Message retracted from ISO speed. Oh, here's another shrine. How do I like attack the shrine or does it just do it automatically? Ah! Okay. I need some more projectile speed up. Cool. I feel like I need more attack speed. I need more attack speed. Oh, let's go freeze time. How do I activate these? Oh, yeah, these guys. There we go. Okay. Attack speed. I feel like I need to be shooting faster, right? Yeah, it is a tech channel. Like I said, we were installing Linux and I was doing stuff. And then I wanted to, what do you call it? I was just playing a game in the meantime while I was installing Linux. Yo, and I'm getting killed. Yo. Oh, snap.
I thought it was.
Aborg. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus. There's a heart over there. I need to go get it. Oh, here we go. It's not just gaming. No. 100 minutes. Upon hitting an enemy, clap their cheeks so hard it generates lightning strike. Let's do it. Clap their cheeks. Oh, what's this? Flashes through multiple enemies. Ooh, rocks that orbit around me. I'm taking a sword. I need a sword, dude. Like, I need more attack. Oh, shit. Oh, slow. I'm slow. Ah. Double back. Doubling back. Ah. Swarm incoming. Oh, shit. Oh, Jesus. Oh, we're not doing too hot. I need some regen. Because I'm not doing too hot. I'm not doing too hot here. I'm about to die. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, swarm incoming. Oh, we're toast. Yeah, we're toast. Doi. That's fun though. That's fun. I like it. I see what all the thing is about. What all the hype is about. So I'm gonna play that later, but Mega Bonk, guys. This is it. This is the game. It's good stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna eat some stuff. We're gonna take a break real quick. Do some steak. Okay, where's rest? That is spicy. Woo!
It's supposed to be like not spicy.
Yeah.
Ooh. I guess it could be more spicy, but I wouldn't eat now.
There we go. Let's go. Okay. Let's launch the software manager. Well, how old are you, Echo? Echo? I like your name. Echo. Yeah, that game is fun. I like it. Just for a quick, quick 5-minute game. Just a quick 5-minute game. You can jump in, you can get up, get in, get out. Oh, you're 28. Okay. Yeah, I'm sure you'll be gaming in your 40s. Do you game now? What do you play? Ooh, this is good. This is good, guys. My girlfriend made, it's like ramen, right? With some steak. It's got some steak in there. Some big old noodles. This is good, honey. It's a little spicy. A little spicy. Hey, Dravenix back. Hey, welcome in. All right. So we got OBS. We're gonna need that, probably. Actually, I don't know if I need OBS on this one. But I'll tell you what I do want. VLC. Gotta have VLC. VLC. VLC is... Okay. It's fine. Maybe it is a sign. And welcome in, Dravenik. How are you? Are you a Linux user? You like Linux? This is my first experience with Linux. Or rather, not my first experience with it, but my first real kind of, okay, let's delve into it. Let's see what it's all about. Let's see how it stacks up against Windows and Mac OS. I love Mac OS. And fun fact, Mac OS is actually a derivative of Linux. Actually, Unix, which is a derivative of Linux, that's just been refined by Apple to be what it is today. But it originally originated, it was a Linux operating system. Yeah, games they're definitely less optimized. But like this Megabonk, you know, it's good to have games that are more intensive, like Fortnite. Fortnite can be pretty graphic intensive, or like this Megabonk, which has simplified graphics, or even like Minecraft. So it's good to have different games, I think, you know, it's just fun. And depending on your system, right? Like how well it runs. Okay, so we got VLC. What other apps do I need for Linux here? Let's go games. They should have Steam on here, right? Right. That's why I said it's nice to have games like this, like Megabonk, right? That is not as intensive, right? So it's still 3D, you know, but it's simplified, right? It's a simple game. Like the classics, like the old PlayStation games, you know? There it is, there's Steam. Let's install Steam, shall we? We'll install Steam, and then maybe we could play Megabonk on here. Yeah, and like I said, I got this machine for free, really, because I already sold one part off of one of the other broken laptops, and that paid for pretty much everything. So essentially, this was a free laptop. And it's not as jittery as it appears right here. Like over on the laptop screen, it's actually much smoother. I think it's just the fact that I'm beaming it over Wi-Fi over to this machine, over to my main machine. But yeah, this is Rust Desk right here. So I've got all the different computers that I can connect to, right? You can see it shows Linux, Windows, and it's all password protected. So Steam's installing on there. So let's play another Mega Bonk, shall we? Ooh, this is spicy.
No.
What's with all the spice, honey? You're so spicy lately.
They're bulldog. Okay.
Oh,
Like
yeah.
The least spicy one. And then I added milk to it to make it even less spicy. And I didn't even use the whole pack.
It didn't work.
Y'all look crazy. For eating, like, people who eat that all the time. Y'all look crazy. That's pretty.
Yeah. Greedy PC part manufacturer. Yeah. Right. Right. Some games are supported, others are not. So, but again, this machine is for my son, so it was free. It was basically a free laptop because I already sold some parts out of one of the other laptops. And that paid for everything.
Boy, man.
That's boy math right there. All right, we're gonna try the fox one more time, but this time I need your help, guys, because this I was terrible the last time. Okay, shoot the thing. Shoot. Okay. Projectile speed. Fire staff. Projectile speed. This one says 15%. Let's do that. There we go. Projectile speed again. Or fire staff. Which one? Just uploaded my first song, Gravity, by Noctis Vale. It may be. That's a hard maybe. I might look into it. All right, which one? Projectile speed. Ooh, 30%. Time bracelet. It's 100 maybe. Yeah, they're grabbing it. I don't know who that is. I can't afford it. Oh, here we go. Ooh, sword. Should I do sword or knockback?
What is
I needed more attack last. I can't afford that. There we go. Ooh, spiky shield. Okay. The overlay blocks the second option, so I can't tell what's there. Which overlay? Sorry, what's your main computer running? My main PC is running Windows. I used to have a couple of Macs. Oh. You guys are over on the vertical, that's why. You can go to the widescreen version. Just go to my profile or my page. There's a widescreen. You guys can watch widescreen if you prefer. We're doing better. Doing better than the last time. Oh, okay. Sword up, size 120. Shield. Silver gain. Okay. Okay, so here's what we got. We got Silver Tome, which gains more silver, 12%. Shield Tome, which gives me 25% shield, which would probably be good. Or Sword up to 120%. Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Hey, welcome to the widescreen. Much better. But still not wide enough because I only get so many resolution options here. But it's pretty much all in there. Yeah, that's pretty much the whole screen. So, existence of projectiles count because the more projectiles, the more enemies to be hit. So projectile count. Okay. Okay, the damage up on the sword 13, fire staff up to 116, projectile count 2, that's good. Projectile speed 45. Let's go, yeah, projectile count. Yeah, that's better. Okay, good call. Good call, projectile speed. Projectile speed tone. 45% evasion tone. That might be good. Ooh, crit chance of 7%. GGGG's. Hello, Anna. What? How do I say your name? Anna Jahaya. GG's. We got. Okay, which one should I go? Projectile speed up 15%. Evasion, which we don't have, or precision. Crit chance up 7%. I feel like either evasion or projectile speed. Because the faster the projectiles get there, the more I can shoot. Right? Or evasion. I'm gonna go projectile speed. Yes? 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. That was the move. That was the move. We're firing. Not fast firing. This guy. There we go. Ooh, sword knockback. HP tone. Max HP up to 25. Yeah, speed. I agree. Speed does seem better. Projectile count. Okay, which one now, guys? Sword knockback 2.5. HP, max HP up 25. Not. It doesn't say percent or size tone. What's size? I feel like sword. Sword. I'm going sword. Oh, here we go. Okay, sword up 20% plus another projectile. Agility is movement speed up 15%. Or projectile. Ooh, those are both pretty good because it goes from 45 to 60. Size. Okay, area effect. Okay. What do you think? Projectile speed goes to 63%. Right. I feel like sword because I get another projectile. I'm going sword. Oh yeah. Yeah. You fucking cool. You got me. Hit me. Oh, shit. Knockback. HP, size. This one's kind of a toss-up because I don't know which one I should go with. So HP, size, or knockback. I mean, knockback 20%. That's pretty good. Size. What's size do? Size, projectile speed, duration, damage to elites. Yeah, because it says over here, your stats. Oh, you guys can't see it. Hang on. Over here, see up above here. So damage, size, projectile speed, duration, damage to elites, knockback, movement speed. So size, but what does size do? All right, we'll go size. I don't know what it is, but we'll go with size. Oh, there's a chest over here. See what's up over here. Open. Aboard. Chance to spawn aboard. How do I open these? Because this just seems to be like iron or something. I think I have to stand in here. Yeah. Stand in here for a chance. Gain 10% evasion, crit chance, or projectile count. Hell, I'm doing that. Oh, and another thing. Speed, sword. Oh, another projectile. I'm going sword. Look at that. Sword. Oh my god. Look at this fucking guy. Where he's gonna be shady. Oh, okay, here, projectile, size. What is size though? What does size even do? I don't understand. That's epic though. I should probably go with the epic one, right? I gotta go with the epic one. I'm not gonna get what the why am I slow? Oh my god, why am I slow? What is happening? Why am I slow? Slow all of a sudden. Oh shit. See that? That hurt. Slow again. That's slow. Do something good. Increase HP by 25. I need that because I'm about to die. Open this. Oh, okay. Size increases the... Oh, good. If the game isn't evil, your slashes get bigger. Knockback is helpful if you don't one-hit your enemies to prevent them. Ah, yes. You're slow because you didn't take movement or speed upgrades. Got it. Overpowered limit. 1% chance to proc. And then order... Oh, shit, what? Heart. Okay, let's see. Get this. Oh shit! God. All right, I need some big stuff here. This one's rare. Size. Ooh, up to 40%. Holy shit. Oh my god, look at all these people. Holy Lord Almighty. What is happening? Look at all these people. Oh. Should I go side? Ooh, legendary fire staff. What? Oh, there's the dude. Oh, okay. feel like I should just go with the rarest items, right? If you get a crit, your damage is usually multiplied. That's good. That's good. It's like gambling. Kinda. I'm going size. Oh, I got him. Got him. Got that guy. This offense is good. Ooh, slippery ring. Ooh, crit. Oh, and more stuff. Oh, projectile count 2 to 3.2. And oh my god, I'm just getting all kinds of stuff. I feel like these are all good. I'm going fire staff. I'm going power staff. Oh, I'm just like getting it up, dude. Size, projectile speed, or fire staff. I feel like projectile. Either projectile or size. Projectile or size. Let's get this. Oh, these okay. This is fun. I like this game. Ooh, evasion's up. What's my overall evasion stuff? Let's see. 17. Okay, my evasion's up 17. Look at this guy. Look at all the rules. Oh my god. More evasion, let's go. Oh, there we go. Ooh, knockback. Yeah, we gotta take that, I think. Moldy cheese. Dodge, yeah. Look at this, we got 40% chance to poison enemies on hit. Moldy cheese, my beloved. Don't take damage for damage. Ooh, how did I get that? Electric plug. Upon taking damage, send out an electric shock to nearby enemies. Yeah, unstable transfusion. 25 or 27% chance to apply a stack of blood mark when hitting an enemy. I feel like electric, right? Right? I'm gonna go with that. Oh, I gotta go. Oh, sword. I gotta go with that. Projectile. Oh my god. 75%. I need that, dude. Projectile speed. 7. Those are both really good. Oh. Ooh, rare. I should go with that one, right? Projectile count. Oh my god. Yeah. feel like I should go 12% damage, right? Looks like I think these are all power-ups, like the upgrade offers. These are all power-ups, I believe. I don't know. I go sword, size, or projectile. I feel like size, because I'm only on clover. Increase luck. Luck is always important. Often overlooked attribute, but luck can get you a lot of it. There you go. Max HP, ooh, jump height, 10% crit damage. Crit damage. Ooh, slurp gloves. Cast blood magic on hitting. Hey, buddy. You want some of my noodles? It's spicy.
No,
It's spicy.
no, it's way too spicy.
You want some egg? You love egg, don't you?
You said no.
All right. What do you think? Cast blood magic upon hitting an enemy, damaging nearby enemies. Ooh, and healing you? Yeah, we're going with that. But I'm gonna eat a little bit and talk to you guys. Yeah, Dravnik, this game is called Mega Bonk, and it's pretty good. Pretty good. Nice. All right, close that. Okay.
You wanna watch TV, buddy?
It's pretty good. I'm almost done, but I'll jump off right here.
He's having a daddy withdrawal.
My son's having daddy withdrawals. Excuse me. This is so spicy. I'm fucking dying here. She's been on a spice kick. I don't understand it. It's like, what are you doing?
I didn't do that one. That was like too spicy. I'm sorry. I wouldn't have done that to you on stream. But I know.
Yes, luck is always important. That's what I was saying. Luck is like one of the, skills or whatever that's often overlooked because they're like, I don't need luck. But it gives you so many benefits. But I just got a clover, so I'm going with the epic slurp gloves because, like, it's a no-brainer. There. Come on. 2 chests right here. So I'm gonna finish this game up, guys, and then I'm gonna sign off. Is that spicy? It looks, yes. It's very spicy. Gabby says it looks like I'm wearing lipstick.
Oh my god.
It kind of does. My lips are like burning.
Mine too. Gotta like wash it off.
Hey, Gabby Morrow, have you played this game, Mega Bonk? It's a lot of fun. It's gaining a lot of popularity right now, so it's fun. Like, it's fun. You can just jump in here, do a quick game, and then get out. So I'm gonna finish this game up. We'll see how far I can get, and then I gotta jump off because my son's going through daddy withdrawals. But we'll be back. We'll be back. Don't worry. Attack have a 25% chance to explode. Let's go. Ooh, gym sauce. Increased damage by 10%. Gym sauce. Oh, we got projectile speed, sword, side. I'm gonna go projectile speed. The faster the projectiles get there, the faster I can shoot them. That's my unfortunate. Jeez, what is it? Whoa, no. Why is that coming out of me? Oh, that's this guy. He's back. Oh, he's fucking toast, dude. You're toast, gremlin. Stupid dog. Get out. The other item was an epic. It can go either way. Yeah, it can go either way. And normally I'll go with like the more rare items because the chances of you getting those more rare items is slim, right? Slimmer. Oh, it's increased max HP. But yes, it seems like they do stack. Like this game just stacks and stacks and stacks and stacks and stacks. Oh, see, like you just keep getting stuff. Size. We like size and we like projectiles. But see, again, it's real easy to look. Common, common, uncommon. So the chances of you getting an uncommon one are less. So I'm gonna go with the uncommon one. Good here. Ooh, crit chance. Oh, here, epic. Projectile speed. Gotta go with that. Brah, your favorite pom-pom bomb. Brah, the Green Bay Packers. Brah. Is that what you wanted to hear? Brah. I just assumed that's what you said. I don't actually know. So these are all common. Ooh, 10% power up multiplier. Yes, please. That's a no-brainer right there. Power up multiplier, like let's go. Oh god, skeleton. Okay. Ooh, size up to 88%, damage, projectile speed up to 90%. What do you think? Either size or projectile. I got a need for speed. Y'all are toast. What the hell was that? Did I just said something? Oh my god. Bruh. Evasion. Slaughtering people. Look at these guys don't stand a chance. First game was the more definitely. Ooh, final swarm incoming. Let's go. Okay, what do I need for my final swarm? We're at 90. I feel like sword. Ooh, fire staff. Oh, rare sword. Oh, nothing. Fire staff. Oh, God. Fire staff. The fire staff. What am I, why am I getting all these? Oh, what's this guy? Shady guy. Thundermans. projectile speed, fire staff, sword. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I'm so dead. Get the burger. Get the burger. I didn't get the burger. Rah. Oh well. So that's it, guys. I got hey, look at all the stuff I got. Let's go. Confirm, confirm. And that's Mega Monk. Oh, what did I unlock? Weapons? Oh, look at this. You unlock some stuff. Wonder, so I can like pick stuff next time. Don't take any damage for 2 minutes. Okay, okay. Alright. So I can buy stuff before the game starts, it looks like? Or is that just like... I don't know. But check it out, guys. Mega Bonk. It's a good game. Thanks. Yeah, that was crazy there at the end. Only for 1 minute. Yeah, and I don't know. Yeah, and the leaderboards aren't populated for some reason. But anyway, that's Mega Bonk, guys. Check it out. It's a good game. I like it. Again, you can just jump in here, play a quick game, and then jump out. So we like that. Linux went to bed. Cooper shut the laptop. He said, we're done. We're done here, guys. So we are done. Dravenik, thanks for coming back in, and appreciate you being here. Echo, thank you for being here as well. Who else was here? Mr. UX and Anajaha. Who else was here? White Martin Luther King. Okay, Nicotine Frog, Dexter Morgan, Jason Voorhees, Something Wong, Confused Cat. Oh yeah, and who's that other guy that was here earlier? Aaron was here, Grumpy was here, Cat Spade was here, Gabby Maru was here, Wolf was here. Who else was here? Ah, there he is. Symbiotic Parasite. That's who I was looking for. Thank you guys all for being here. You know, this is we do tech stuff here. I'll hop back on Linux tomorrow, or well, no, not tomorrow. Probably Saturday and Sunday. So I try to stream Wednesdays and then Saturday and Sunday. And hola, DG Gusain. How to use this wallpaper. This wallpaper is actually AI, and it is a fuzzy bunny. It is the penultimate fuzzy bunny. What's the flag? I don't know. It might, I can't really see it either on my end. I don't know what flag that is. It might be your region. But I don't know. But guys, thank you all for being here. I cover tech stuff, so whatever you guys want to do, we can play games, we could do tech stuff. I'll try to answer any kind of tech questions you guys have. I'm not, you know, and I'll be the first to admit, I'm not like a super guru when it comes to this stuff. But I know enough to be dangerous, you know what I mean? So I'm a graphic designer by trade, but I love tech and all things. I just find it very interesting, and I love learning about this stuff. So that is what we're doing. I hope you can play Plants vs. Zombie and Battlefield 6. Hey, thanks, Something Wong. I might download Battlefield 6. I've never played Plant vs. Zombie, but that sounds like a game that my girlfriend might like to play because she loves the Sims. So she loves Sims. I don't know if it's like that, but we'll check it out. You know, but I gotta jump off of here because the boy is getting a little cranky, and I gotta spend time with him. So, thank you all for being here, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.